going on, guys? Back at it again, boy. Working Wayne. Right here we got a 2020 Honda Accord. I'll show you guys how to take off the mirror, the handle, and the trim panel. On this one, it's pretty simple. Okay, let's get it. Move that piece from there. Move that piece. Some of the flat screwdriver. Put in the edge. Remember, do it from the bottom. When you come from the top, do it from the bottom because that is the weak point. See, it comes out. Unhook the wires, the harness, screw right there. That is a Phillips. Phillips. What is it? Put it in, right out. Another one. Pull it out. Pull it out. See? Go ahead and unput the trunk lock holder. Get it out over there. Get right there. Get the piece out. Undo that. That's a 10 millimeter, 10, 3 of them. You want to hold it. That's how you take that out. Right there. You do the handle. Move that piece from there. So torque sturdy, torque sturdy. Turn it to the left. Turn it to the left. All the way out. Hold this open. Wide open. Comes out. Bang. Put it forward towards you. Bang. That's how you do that. Okay? That's how you do that, guys. 2020 Honda Accord. All right. You guys know what to do. I'll catch you guys on the other one. Working Wayne checking out. See you guys later.